This lady here came on X, that is on Twitter, and claimed to be an Igbo Muslim lady. According to her, she goes by the name Misra, Misari. I don't even know and I don't care. She's Igbo and she's a Muslim. She uploaded pictures of her in Muslim attire and even the iconic Igbo Isiago. She went on to say that Islam is ready to stay in Igbo land, and also called out her fellow Igbo Muslim ladies. My darlings, it wasn't even up to 2 minutes and everywhere caught fire. And all those northern Muslim men and Yoruba Muslims were praising her and encouraging her to be strong in the strength of Allah. The Mumu Onyoshi was very happy. She was rejoicing and collecting thank you up and down. But my darlings, follow me. We are heading somewhere. Surprisingly, our Igbo Twitter warriors did their diggings and found out that the Misra lady is not Igbo. Abi Misari, I don't even know. She is a Yariba Muslim girl who is obsessed with Igbo, that she had to lie and deny her people just to claim Igbo and push their nonsensical agenda. Her real name is Ayola, and she is from Oyo State, and a Yoruba Ronu bigot on Twitter. Even when she was exposed as an inveterate liar, the Ekuke kept on denying her Yoruba people. Now, this girl, she was denying that she's not Yoruba, that she's Igbo. God forbid that I deny my tribe. Oh! Now, this is the extent these guys go to push their nonsense Igbo Muslim agenda, just to rope Igbos into their malicious plots. But Mbano, not on our watch. We will match them energy to energy and fire for fire. You know one thing about Igbos? We are always on our lane. We didn't mind our businesses on a regular. But if you come for us, we go handle you kajagorago. We go gola ge kahapacha wom and you get equity. Thinking about it. What are you people doing? You think we'll just sit down and watch you guys come to Islamize us as in the Oluku? See, Muslim, Northerners, you guys don't like the Igbos. The Yaribas always cry. When you guys always cry wolf whenever we Igbos want to break away from Nigeria. Hausa is the same thing. You guys have all of these things are coming out because there is internet. During those days in Kano, Kaduna, every Eke market day they are burning Igbo shops. Now it is the turn of the Yaribas. And I will say how you guys have planned and carried out your own plans. Now it's the turn of the Yaribas. And you guys want to come and bring in Islam, a Muslim to us. So that you guys think we are fools? You think we are fools? Come on, go and sit down. See, Igbos will never be... Okay, go to Enohia. You know Enohia? I schooled in Afikpo. Go to Enohia. As at then, about 70% of Igbos there were Muslim. But now, they've all converted. The person that was supposed, the shaykh that was supposed to be the head of the Islamic school, the children, all of them don't turn back to Christian. See, every Igbo man is spiritual, and there is no spirituality in Islam, so we cannot and can never be Islamized. Dear Yariba and other Muslims, go and practice your religion in peace and leave the southeast and south the hell out of your nonsense. Those two are Igbo strongholds, and our sister tribes like the Urobos, Isoko, Efik, Ibibios, Ijaws, and Cross River clusters of tribes are looking up to us to prevent Islam from encroaching into their lands. Yes, those of you claiming Igbo Muslims are majorly Igalas and Yaribas who are obsessed with the Igbos, that you have to betray your own identity just to be Igbo. Are you guys not ashamed of yourselves? Chineke na parakwa tuleo. There are definitely lots of magnetic and endearing things about the Igbo race. Because tell me why you all are agitated to force a religion that doesn't match their value system on them. And not just that, the Nigerian system keeps on fighting them to submit to such machinations. See, any Igbo man that you see practicing or claiming to be a Muslim, he was paid. An average Igbo man can never and will never be a Muslim. So we are egalitarians. We are Republican. An Igbo man, an average Igbo man is spiritual in nature. There is no spirituality in Islam. So you cannot come and tell an Igbo man now. It is not even possible. So let me even tell all these Islamic clerics or all those people funding Islamization in Igbo, they are eating your money. They will never be. Oh, Jesus. We say we don't want you guys. Oh, ha. We don't want. Rapunayaka, leave us alone. Your vision of Islam screams violence and underdevelopment. There is nothing to imitate and be happy about your version of religion. Look at what is happening in Kwara. You should leave us. We don't want. I see all of this as a form of gaslighting, possibly meant to stir up Islamic emotions in the Southeast, especially because forced or aggressive conversation has not worked in Igbo land. Things like this usually fail in the Southeast because an Igbo person takes their relationship with their chi, that is God, with their chi, their creator, very seriously. That relationship is deep, personal, and not something to play with or manipulate. In Igbo culture, worship is not shallow or done for show. Faith is tied to identity, conscience, and personal conviction. You cannot pressure or confuse an Igbo person into changing what they truly believe, because belief is something they hold firmly in their heart. Yes, a few of them might change because of mercenary or political interest and correctness. See, they will chop on our money and clean mouth. See, they still know where their hearts belong to. An average Igbo man cannot be a Muslim. Ono to shade possible. Makagene. You guys are playing. And it is also disturbing to see someone like Ayola, clearly a Yoruba name, trying to present themselves as Igbo in order to mislead the public. That kind of false identity only weakens trust and exposes the real intention behind such message. Across Nigeria, from the south or the north, you rarely see people openly bragging about being Christians or traditional worshippers, or making loud claims that their religion has come to stay. That kind of talk is unusual because religion at its core is meant to be a personal relationship between an individual and their God, not a tool for public competition, propaganda, or intimidation. Faith is not something to force, advertise aggressively, or use to provoke others. It is a private journey guided by personal conviction and spiritual understanding. When religion turns into noise, pressure, or deception, it loses its true meaning. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.